95% of this ranch is top-notch quail habitat, either through manipulation of raw materials or some natural benefits that were already here. The remaining percent is water habitat that I've created for waterfowl. Huge flock of ducks down here. Let's go over here. Fisher County, Texas would show up as this county in the rolling plains in the midst of 10 South Texas counties. And it more than got my eye.
Paul's a great student of Aldo Leopold when he said that the same tools that were used to destroy wildlife habitat, they could also be used in a creative way to restore game habitat.
This is a pretty desiccated, totally gone pear.
He's thinking about his vocation, ranching, but his avocation as well. So anytime he's making a decision about stocking rate or brush management, anything, he's thinking, what are the consequences for my quail? And I wish every rancher did that. These are part of our network of disc strips that we do roadside. We try to stimulate natural forage production. Everything just comes together here, water, brush. This is a natural draw and drainage here that has wildlife all the time.
On this ranch, there's a bunch of water tanks throughout the property, and that's a key to keeping animals here, especially turkeys. Here it comes under the fence.
Take them, son.
Good job, man. This is a tough day to hunt turkeys.
Thank you.
It's great. Paul Melton's ranch is being recognized for some of those sacrifices that have been made, and the quail and the turkeys and the deer and the waterfowl and the non-game birds and the horny toads have all been beneficiaries.
Wild quail are truly a blessing to have. I could live anywhere in the world, and I live here. I've been everywhere in the world, and I still come back here.